guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janitra and I am bringing you all things natural hair, waist length hair, motherhood, entrepreneurship, etc. Before we get started, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to see. To show y'all that we are all about keeping it real over here, I'm going to replay this clip of the comb getting tangled up in my hair. But today I'm going to be showing y'all how I get a fluffy, voluminous braid out on my waist length hair. Now I am starting this style on blow dried hair. If you have not watched my blow dry tutorial for this particular style, I did blow dry with my Rev 8. And so what I do for this braid out is pretty simple. I just section my hair in small to medium sized sections. I would say these are medium sized, and I braid it down. Now for these, I do want to stretch it a little bit more. So I braid it down a little bit, kind of cornrow it at the root, maybe 1 to 2 times just to anchor it and keep my roots from getting too puffy because my hair will expand in the humidity, and in the Texas summers, there's nothing but humidity. And I like to do this on clean hair with just a little bit of setting foam just to keep those braids intact. And so at this point, I am working on the back section where I have 3 braids. And I want y'all to pay attention at the back of my head. So you'll see the 2 braids on each side, but then right below there at the very bottom of the nape, there is a single braid, a small braid back there. And I want y'all to pay attention because that braid is going to have its own little debut at the end of this video. If you've already seen my reel on Instagram or my short on here, you already know why that braid went viral. Now, once I braid each braid down to the end, I like to actually set the ends with a perm roller. I am currently growing out some pre-existing color damage. I had bleached my hair a couple of summers ago, and so the ends of my hair, I've put a darker semi-permanent rinse over it, but the damage is still there. If you guys want me to make a video about my journey as a blonde hair waist length girly, let me know in the comments and I will give y'all the nitty-gritty breakdown on how that experience was. I also want to add that as a waist length natural, I do quite a bit of protective styling unless my hair is straightened or in a silk press, just because it is more manageable for me to have protective styles, especially with my busy lifestyle as a mom of 4, business owner, community volunteer, entrepreneur, all the things. And I haven't really sped any of these clips up or anything. I have cut out some of the lag time in between, but I just kind of want to show y'all in real time that this particular braid out does not take a ton of time. Now, getting to this point, baby, the entire wash day process, that's what has me reconsidering my life goals. And shout out to my hubby, y'all. I didn't even ask for this. He saw me pull out that office chair and bring it into the bathroom to do my hair. So he already knew what type of time I was on and what was going down. So shout out to him. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of elevator music while I finish the process. And if you want to click that video speed button and speed this part up, but I want you to stay tuned until the end. Don't leave. Make sure you watch until the end of this video. Okay, so I will probably wear these for a couple days, but if you want to see the tape down and what happened with my little braid in the back, make sure you stay tuned for part two, my braid out takedown video.